Hello, lovely people. Today I'm going to make a painting with coffee. I'll be guiding you step by step. So, first of all, I'm taking a little bit of coffee and mixing it with 1 spoon of water. I'll be taking 3 containers. The first one has the lighter tone, second the mid tone, and the third one with the darker tone. The intensity varies with the proportion of mixing coffee and water. If you keep adding water to the mixture, it becomes lighter. To achieve the darkest tone in your painting, you need to work in layers. Let the first layer dry completely and then you can go over it again and you will get the desired tone that you need in your painting. This painting is dedicated to all the mothers who love tea and coffee and they cannot live without it. And if you want this drawing for your reference, I am attaching a link from where you can download it and start making it. I'm starting by wetting the surface with water. Wet surface helps the color to spread easily. I'm taking a lighter tone and painting from the edge of the cup, keeping the center white. I'm using lighter tones and mid-tones to give my painting a base, and I'll be using darker tones at the end to give my painting a depth it needs. This is a very easy painting. Anybody can do it at home, and all you need is coffee and water. This is a beginner's tutorial for painting in coffee. For watercolor tutorials, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by the name White Peacock Arts. And if you like my paintings and would like me to make more videos like this, tell me in the comments below. After the base layer has dried, I am starting with the second layer. I want the face darker. I'm using the darkest tone for giving the depth. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and you can also tag a budding artist in the comments below. Right now, I'm giving final touches to my painting. And you can see, guys, it's a very simple painting. And on this Mother's Day, you can make beautiful greetings with coffee and gift your mother something made with love. And do let me know your views on this video and And also tell me, would you like to see more of painting tutorials in future? Just mention in the comments below. Tell me everything about your views about painting artworks. So here it is. This is how it looks after drying. And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, stay safe, and keep painting.